Be $1 million, just give me something from your busy body. A million friends, tell me you like me, I made life so easy. A million bottles of beer and wine in my case. A million friends everywhere tell me that you like to dance. How we go chop life, eh? How we go chop
I need to add more. What are you guys saying? Let me
How we
close.
go chop life, eh? How we go chop life. Say we go chop life. As money pay for my side. How we go chop life? As long as they carry them, they die. How we go chop life? Sip on some fine wine. Bring out the thing we go make you feel alright. I can't cement the party we go on night. Why? I do not chase you. That's my chop life. That it was on you. That's my life. Select deep on the feet. Continental boys on the scene. And you know action deep on the beat. And you know it's a hit. How we go chop life, eh? How we go chop life. How we go chop life, eh? How we go chop life. I make my whole life musical, and I be spending money on you. I be your lifetime bodyguard. Oh, girl, show me your whole life musically, and I be your bodyguard like you. And you like it, I can even to Kanda. You're the into Tamba. I do it all, I get you some better. They won't show one in there. Call me daddy. Show me love, I show you love. Give me plenty.
Why my back hurting?
Call me daddy. How we go chop life, eh?
Let's chop live.
How we go chop life. How we go chop life. How we go chop life.
Why am I sweating? Oh my god. This one say Allah ba ayeshe dami we go kaya.
Select chef, Khalid, Hassan. Be $1 million, just give me something from your busy body. A million friends, tell me you like me, I made life so easy. A million bottles of beer and wine in my place. A million friends everywhere tell me that you like to dance. I will go chop life, eh? How we go chop life. How we go chop life.
Come on, somebody come fuck me.
How we go
You come.
chop life. Say we go chop life. That's money day for my side.
I have my weed here.
How we go chop life. Sip on some fine wine. Bring out the thing we go make you feel alright. I can't cement the party we go on night. Why? I do not chase you. That's my chop life. That it was on you. That's my life. Select deep on the feet. Continental boys on the scene. And you know action deep on the beat. And you know it's a hit. How we go chop life, eh? How we go chop life. How we go chop life, eh?
takes away my energy. I'm gonna be like this.
Show me your whole life musically, and I'll be about to college. Kila nikitaka nilikukanga, yone mtu kamba. Ati mwenda na juice better, never jump one better. Call me daddy, call me daddy. Show me love, I show you love. Give me plenty, plenty, plenty. Ooh, call me daddy, call me daddy. How we go chop, 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 chop life, eh? How we go chop, chop, chop life.
Woo!
How we go chop, 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 chop life, eh? How we go chop, chop, chop life.
Somalia, look at your neighboring countries, the kind of music they're making. You think you're like, Nagataga, motherfuckers, a landlocked country that doesn't have even waters. They're doing like this musically. Yeah, motherfuckers have sea, but baledihin, komanyadina. Oh my god, I wish I was something else. Can somebody delete me from this community, please? Because if I had a voice, you people are lucky. I can only shake my ass and I know how to dance. If I could sing, I would win a Grammy. Ho! These motherfuckers have their voice and then, oof. The fuck is wrong with these bitches? Sing something we can dance to. Freaking landlocked country doing better than you musically in every way, actually education wise too. I hate them. Anyways, let's listen to something good. I'm sorry, I just hate the fact that my community is very slow. This Unsi is so good. Oh shit. So good.
Murder. Chatty, Montamasi, mix up. Why you not leave people business? I said below people business. Good God, I tell you, now see me go. No, see nearby your place.